In today's Mac Quick Tip, we will discuss dashboard widgets, and I will show you how to customize your local weather widget. As you can see, I have pulled up Jackson, Mississippi, where I currently am, and we have a bit of bad weather. Wow! Let's get started. Well, jumping right into dashboard, if you watch my fingers, if you push 3 fingers outward on your trackpad, if you have one, you're able to go up and select dashboard. If you press escape, it brings us back to our desktop. We can also click on mission control and it brings up the same desktop and dashboard, and we select it, bring it out, and I'll show you one other way to access the dashboard. If you press function key F12, it brings the dashboard up. The dashboard houses our widgets. Widgets are small specific programs that you use for a specific purpose. And here you see clock, calendar, calculator, and the weather, and we're going to focus primarily on the weather in this demo. If you click that little eye, it turns over and it allows you to put the city you're in. Let's just say Dallas, and it brings up all the Dallases, and we'll select Texas. And if you click that button, include a 6-day forecast, and we see what the weather's like in Dallas. If we want to add a widget, we come down and we click on the plus sign, and it brings up the preloaded widgets that we have on the system. And I'll say dictionary, and if you say food and enter, it brings up a definition for food. And if you notice right here, that little eye is always, you click that, it shows you the options that you have for a particular widget. So I'll select large, and if you notice, it goes out and reproduces a larger font. And I'll show you that you can have multiple widgets of the same type. I'm actually in Jackson, Mississippi, as I covered in the intro. So I'll come here, click the little eye, it flips over, and I'll say Jackson and select Mississippi from the list. 5-day forecast, click over. And also, if you want to just see just the current weather, if you click one time, it collapses. We click the minus sign, as you might expect. We're able to take Dallas. I'll click that and click the X, and it takes those off. And then if you just press the escape button, we get out. And to go back, much like before, I'll press function key F12, and it brings up the widgets that we still have remaining. If we click plus to add widgets, and if you notice here it says more widgets, if you click that, it opens up a web browser going to the Apple site where there's a plethora of widgets to choose from. That's the quick tip for today. Hopefully you find that beneficial. If you like what you've seen, please click the like button on YouTube, or click the plus button on Google+. Thanks again. I'm Richard L. Scott with Gr8Scott Demos, and God bless.